We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to provide you with a comprehensive understanding of the Yoecod Gamer Room Decor wooden door sign, branded as Little Man Cave. This 12 by 6 inch wall decor piece is designed specifically for boys' bedrooms, men's gaming spaces, and kids' game rooms, offering a fun and personalized touch to any gaming environment. The sign comes pre-printed with the phrase Little Man Cave and includes a rope for easy hanging, making it a simple yet effective way to add character to a room. Users consistently praise the sign for its durable wooden construction. The material is described as safe, tasteless, and featuring realistic graphics with high printing accuracy, which contributes to its long-term usability and aesthetic appeal. Many reviewers highlight that the sign is well-made and lightweight, which makes it easy to hang on doors, walls, or in hallways without requiring heavy-duty mounting hardware. The size of 12 by 6 inches is noted as compact but sufficient to stand out as a decorative accent. Several customers have shared that it fits perfectly above bedroom doors or in small gaming corners, adding a personalized and welcoming vibe to the space. The rope included for hanging is sturdy and convenient, allowing for quick installation without professional help. One of the most appreciated aspects is the sign's appeal across different age groups and genders. While marketed primarily for boys and men's gaming rooms, many users report that daughters and girls also love the sign, finding it cute and fun. This versatility makes it a great gift option for families with multiple children or mixed-gender gaming setups. The sign has been gifted for birthdays and special occasions, often bringing smiles and positive reactions from recipients. The design itself, featuring the phrase Little Man Cave, resonates well with those looking to create a cozy, personalized gaming or relaxation space. It adds a sense of identity and fun to the room, which many users find enhances the overall atmosphere. The modern style and clear, bold lettering make it easy to read and visually appealing. On the downside, some users mention that the product is smaller than they initially expected, so it's important to consider the dimensions before purchasing if a larger statement piece is desired. Additionally, while the sign is well made, it is a simple decorative item without any lighting or advanced features, so it serves purely as a visual accent rather than a functional gadget. The after-sales service from Yoecod is also highlighted positively. Customers report responsive support and a willingness to address any issues with returns or refunds, which adds confidence to the purchase. Overall, the Yoecod Little Man Cave wooden door sign stands out as an affordable, charming, and easy-to-install decoration for gaming rooms and kids' bedrooms. It is especially suitable for those who want to add a touch of personality and fun without investing in complex or expensive decor. The overwhelmingly positive feedback, with a 4.9 out of 5 stars rating from 40 reviews, confirms its popularity and quality. If you have this item, please leave a review in the comments to help others make informed decisions. Remember, the link to the product is in the description, and using it helps support the channel. This sign is a great way to bring a little extra character and charm to any gaming or kids' room, making it a recommended pick for anyone looking to enhance their space with minimal effort and cost.